Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this consultation series. We're going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks for effectively and properly lighting up your home. If you want to get your free consultation, just shoot me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. Send me a few pictures and we'll give you a video presentation of what lights are going to work best with your property, or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca or go check out all our videos on YouTube.
We're going to show you how to light up your landscape with the King Innovation Instalight. So this is a great tool that we use to go and demo different types of lights to find out what light is going to look best where. So all it is, it's a very simple battery operated pack that just takes 8 AA batteries, and then what you can do with it is you can actually go and plug in your light, whatever light it is, whether it be a path light, a wash light, a wall light, or an accent light. You can go and just plug that into your Instalight, and you can go walk around your property and test out all the different areas that you're thinking of lighting and seeing which lights look best in which location and where you want to position those lights to get the best effect that you're looking for. It's a super easy tool that comes in all our do-it-yourself kits, as well as our try it before you buy it offers, where you can go and now test out these lights, feel the quality, see how they're going to look before you go and make any big decisions on your landscape lighting project. And if you're looking for even more help, you can go and access our free consultation series, where you can actually send me pictures of your property, and we're going to go do our best to help you determine which lights to use in the best locations and where to use them. And then you can go test out those practices with the King Innovation Instalight. So go and access that at lightingdoctor.ca, and I hope you guys find this tool as valuable as we do.
Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools of how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.